Hey. All right, here we go. We're taking this to the ride to the upside. Nice. There's a nice pop boom. I'll take it. That's $125. Thank you for riding at Cedar Point. That's
Nice
nice.
work, coach.
Thank you. Just getting it done. Making dreams a reality, one trade at a time. Should have made 100 on that. It made 50 when it was all said and done by the time I clicked done. Okay, whatever. Whatever floats your boat. Weeble. I got you. All right, be careful right here at the 62160 area, right? You're gonna have a little bit of turbulence up here. I want everybody to start paying attention. We're starting to get close to the top. This whole area right here. Can everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
That is your turbulence area. You will run into some issues up here. That is the resistance right there. There's the bounce off of VWAP 621.10. 621.10. This is a chop area. Be careful. Here we go. SPY bounced off of VWAP, making its move back up into the clouds. Back up here into the clouds. I will be watching this whole area right here. We had a nice bounce here off of VWAP and previous trend line support over here on SPY. I told you this is going to be that choppy area. Isn't that what I said right in here? Little choppy chop. Huh? Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it.
I mean, there's the 9 and the 200 in the middle of all that too. It's
Absolutely. TJ 392. No, I would no. I would start with no money. Just get training, work on training before you trade, okay? Thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, as much as you, right? As much as I make this look easy, there's 33 years in here, right? It doesn't just, it's not easy. You've been studying good. Keep studying. I want to see you over in our Discord right now. You're not getting a whole lot of study and watching for free. By the way, those of you that are watching for free, you're getting about maybe 2% of what we have to offer here. Maybe. SPY, if you guys are trading SPY, ES futures, Qs, or any of those, a lot of chop here. Be careful. I told you this is choppy chop zone, right? Okay, good.
Yep, I'm not touching that thing for right now.
Thank you. I'm looking for SPY to break through this VWAP area. I want it below that 621 again. You guys remember that 621 critical area?
Yep.
Absolutely, coach. Absolutely.
There goes SPY. Come on, baby. Break.
Oh, baby.
Yes.
Yeah.
Break that VWAP.
That was 20.
Oh, nice
It was
job.
10 per candle for the last 4 minutes, and that was 20.
Yes, good job. Good job.
1 minute till shift
Amazon near
change.
low.
1 minute to shift change. Thank you. Good job. There it goes. Come on, baby. Flush out. That's what I'm looking for. A little more. I got to be careful. I'm going to just take it off. There. Oh, shit. I took that early. Excuse my language. Damn it.
I
It's
did too.
okay, you have 10
I
o'clock.
did it, Palm, because we're at that 621 and I was, concerned about a bounce. Same with you, right?
Yep. I'd rather ring the register and get slapped back.
Yep. As it would have bounced hard. 10 o'clock, shift change. Here we go. Watch for the break of 620.50 is what I'm looking for now. Otherwise, be careful. That was support. Remember, 620.50 is support. I hope you're listening to the sound of my voice. There's the bounce. See if it's got more. I want to see this break 620.50 and go nunites. But did anybody pick up that scoop on SPY triple bottom at 620.50 for support? Anybody at all? Talk to me.
Of course.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate you. By the way, Where else would you ever find somebody who can tell you exactly to each penny the moves it's going to make before it gets there, why it's going to do what it's going to do when that happens? Has anybody ever seen that before, ever in the history of stock market trading? Ever?
Never,
No,
ever.
sir.
I never have, and I've been watching all of them. I've never seen one ever do what we do in this room. Ever.